Perforation using machine seat foam. Small hole is fine, no need for large one. This way the hole will be drilled, and the fan will be able to draw air in. Okay, let's remove these foam pads. Okay, now the holes in the foam of this seat are ready. We laid out this ventilation net. Cover with sealing cloth. Prepare spray adhesive. Spray glue. Fix the position of the net. When we spray the adhesive, we apply 2 layers. Spray a little on the sealing cloth. Then spray a little on this seat cushion too. The fit will be more airtight. Never leaks air. We sprayed glue on both the fabric and the seat cushion. Now it fits very securely. Make sure it's sealed properly, otherwise it will leak air. It must be sealed on all sides. It absolutely must not leak air. Like this, it won't leak air anymore. Let's take a look at the structure of the seat. Put this up first. This comes from experience. Lift it up. Where is it suitable to drill a hole? It would be best if we drilled a hole here. This is the perfect spot to install a fan. Draw a circle. It doesn't need to be very big. Then we cut the sealing cloth according to the circled position. Fan rubber bracket. Just snap it on, but make sure the hole in the sealing gasket isn't too big. If it's too big, it will leak air. There will be gaps between the rubber and the sealing gasket. Fan installed. The backrest is the same. After we put the sponge on, see where to drill the hole for this fan. This location. Okay, this hole doesn't need to be perfect. It must be round. Will be the same after the holes are drilled. Take this fan bracket. Stuff it in to make sure there's no air leakage. Find the perfect angle. Then just install the fan. We installed the switch in this location. Easy to operate.